Learning objective 2. List and describe the necessary skills for a litigation paralegal. Now we'll be going over these one at a time, but they basically are soft skills, resourcefulness, commitment, analytic skills, interpersonal skills, creating an impression, communication skills, and professionalism. Now some of these, there really isn't a course for them. But we do at least require you to take business communication to help you with your communication skills. Communication skills are very important, and so is professionalism. Okay, the soft skills. What do we mean by that? The ability to work with others and handle oneself appropriately, also known as human relations skills. Must be exhibited in dealings with legal team, clients, and court personnel. If someone's yelling at you, don't yell back. Stay calm. De-escalate. These are the kind of skills. One little tidbit that I want to throw out there. Unless a lawyer tells you to call him by his first name, use Mr. or Ms. They like that. And I'll be honest, some of them are a little pompous. And so just, work with that. My father didn't let junior attorneys call him by his first name. It wasn't until they were partners in the law firm that they could call him by his first names. Resourcefulness, the ability to meet situations and solve problems. Requires creative thinking outside the box. I don't really like emphasizing outside the box because first you need to think in the box. If there's no answer in the box, then you think outside the box. Highly valued by the legal team. You know what? There's no problem that Google doesn't have someone who's dealt with it already. So just remember that. Google is your friend. Commitment. Okay, finishing what one starts out to do. Finish this program. Finishing tasks on time. No excuses. Just get them done. Success of the legal team depends on commitment because everybody's working on one part, their own parts. So if you fail, then the whole project fails, even if they do what they are supposed to do. So always finish your tasks on time and be committed to the team. Analytical skills. This is something that develops over time with experience, but it's problem solving. And it's critical in performing legal analysis. And what it is you sort of like break down the problem into different parts and then find the solution to those parts. Interpersonal skill, the ability to work well with others, and the ability to maintain a positive attitude and achieve results at all times with all types of people, even if it means faking it. Just smile and say, great, yeah, I can do that, and then do it. And if you're gripey, that's going to be remembered. Okay, create an impression on the first meeting. Use the Mr. or Ms. Demonstrate those characteristics that put one in a favorable light. Be confident. Be positive. Be diplomatic. And be flexible. All these things are things you want to project when you create that first impression. Communication skills, and this is what I meant, and this is why we require English 101, English 102, legal writing. It's important that you be able to express ideas clearly and effectively, both orally and in writing. Legal documents must be presented clearly and accurately. And oral communication may be hampered by nuances, jargon, and other subtleties, so leave those out. Just learn to speak clearly to the question that's asked. Don't go off on tangents. Professionalism. Conduct in accordance with the expectations of a profession. Paralegals represent the firm to the public and the courts. So they always have to, have a professional appearance, a little polished. Includes one's attire and grooming, a little polished. No one's expecting you to be perfect at all times or be dressed to the level of attorneys. But you should always look like a professional. This helps create comfort and confidence in others. If a stranger comes in to deal with their legal problems, they don't want to see somebody in sweats. We'll cover this in the next presentation.